Alright, so coming out today, I know I've been mentioning the heat problems with the underhood temps. And you kind of see the discoloration around here, right where the turbo is. So what I'm planning on doing is making some hood vents. I know it still creaks, just deal with it. But yeah, I plan on making some hood vents. And my buddy from work, slash powder coater slash fabricator, he hit me up. He was saying he has some dimple dies and some aluminum where he could cut them out, dimple dye them, and powder coat them black. So that's what I'm planning on doing, is going black with it. And I try to keep the same theme, or at least somewhat the same shape as the hood latches, so it doesn't look too out of place. So I've been doing some measuring already, and I'm just trying to figure out how I wanted to do this. And I don't want them too big, I don't want them too small, but I think what I'm gonna do is between this opening on the hood and this opening is good for about 10 inches. And seeing how all the heat's right here, that'd be perfect for it. I said I think these are just under 5, so that would have been a little too small. And then anything larger would have been, I think, out of place. So this is what I have come up with so far. And I'm about to take it to him. He could take some measurements and notes and cut out what he needs to. But what I'm planning is, so that's just a rough guesstimate where they would sit. So I know this glare is going to be pretty bad, but you guys can see where they're going to sit. So what I did, instead of copying the shape where it tapers off towards the back, I don't know, should I open up the garage more? Yeah, I try to pay attention to you guys when I'm recording. I know it's a mess in here, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's better. That's better. So instead of tapering it off, figured it'd probably look better just keep it the same all the way through, and that way it's not like stepping down the holes or anything, and just keep it nice and uniform. So I took the measurements on the widest part here, traced that out, and I got the same curve here from this little tool I got when I was doing the trunk enclosure. So pretty much got the same contour there, and trace that out to both sides. And then I took the measurement to this lip here, so that's about 1/2 inch. I guess it doesn't help if I'm in the way, so that's about 1/2 inch. So I traced that out all the way around it, so it would still look the same. And then got the measurements from pretty much the distance between the bolts. So it's not identical, but it's pretty close. Just rough estimates. Like I said, once he gets it, I'm sure he could modify a little bit. Have to decide on what size, if I want to do bolts or rivet it on, which I'll probably do rivets. Yeah, but we'll see. But yeah, that's kind of the idea I'm going with. Just to get some of the heat out and I think break up some of the white. So if I throw those on, I've been debating if I wanted to do the grill black or keep it white, which I think if I'm going to add more black accents, I think the grill is going to go black. So I'll probably aerosol can it, but I'll do the 2-stage. So it's the aerosol can where you have that little button on the bottom to activate it to mix. So it's pretty much a hardener. Tape all this off, tape off behind it, and then just spray it all black. I still need to get some emblems, so we'll see about that. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm planning on. Like I said, the reason I'm thinking about the rivets is I want to keep this structure here. So if I cut out around it, and I think with the Dremel, that's what I used last time, the Dremel, I'll be able to cut out around it and keep the support brace here, and then the rivets will be short enough depending on where they go. Like I said, if I have to drill through it, no problem, but I don't want to cut it all out. So when you look through it, you might be able to see the support through a couple of the holes, but for the most part, you're just going to see where they end up, pretty much the wheel wells. So that's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna drop these off to him, let him do his thing. But yeah, I think it's gonna look good. I think it's gonna look good. Like I said, if anything, if I do have to get a new hood, if I mess this one up, it'll probably be a cow hood, even though I don't want to. But some goodies came in the other day. What up, man? What up?
How are you, bro?
Good. How's that adult life?
It's all right, man.
You gonna be on YouTube?
Sure, I don't mind. What you doing today?
Alright, just had to put the camera down, talk to the one of the neighborhoods. I would say neighborhood kids, but he just graduated. He's on to that adult life now, working and in school. So yeah, but I did get stickers in. So a few of the Dash Garage stickers, black and white, and then some new Colorado G-body stickers. So before we had the black Colorado plates, and then we had the flag Colorado G-bodies, and now we just did the green and white plates. So yeah, just a little play off of them. So yeah, we need to get some of these shipped out, and then yeah, let me know. I got, I think, about 50 of them. So if you guys are interested in them, hit me up on Instagram, and I could work on getting some out your way. But yeah, let me grab these templates, grab those stickers, then grab some tools I borrowed, and head out.